Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you had a great festive season. Happy New Year. I hope 2019 is treating you well so far. We're already in the third week of January, and in case you've not realized it, this year is already underway and it's racing so fast. If anything negative followed you from 2018 into 2019, all I can say is these too shall pass. For the most of last year, up till now, my dad has been sick and I worry about him all the time. I also worry about my mom because she's the one that takes care of him, sometimes. Even though she says I'm fine, I'm all right, but I can't help but worry about her mental health because sometimes we tend to focus on the person that is sick, forgetting that the person that takes care of the sick person needs to be taken care of as well. Yes, I worry so much about her mental health because it's not easy. Yeah, worrying about these two important people in my life can sometimes be very crippling, but what can we do? We keep pushing and pushing. If you want to do anything this year, if you want to achieve anything this year, January is the best time to start. It's like setting forth at dawn. Yeah, you start early because if you don't start in January, before you know it, we're in July and this year again has passed you by. So if you want to write a book, make sure that right after watching this video, today, you write down the table of contents or something. Yeah, preface, whichever, about the book, write it down. If you want to learn a skill this year, make sure that right after watching this video, today, you call up the company, the training center, to make initial inquiries if you haven't done so, or to register for the course. Yeah. If you want to move abroad, if you want to move out of Nigeria this year, make sure that you Google information about relocating to that particular country right after watching this video to see if you qualify. And if you qualify, please start the process immediately, because I'm telling you, something that qualifies you today may not even get you through the door tomorrow. As the days go by, more and more countries are shutting their doors on us. So the time to start is now. Yeah, I think I'm going so deep right now, but yeah, this is my first video of the year. We're not in a hurry. We have 12 months to go, right? So I'm sure you can sit and listen to all this. Yeah, these need to be said, and I'm saying that. Lots of people discovered my channel during the festive season. It's the season of lots of cooking. You're welcome. My name is Flo, and on here on All Nigerian Recipes, I upload the science of cooking, specifically the science of cooking Nigerian food. But you can apply these cooking techniques to your cooking irrespective of your country of origin. Some people also tell me that I drop nuggets of life here and there in my videos. I don't know about that, but if you pay attention while watching my videos, maybe you can spot those nuggets for yourself too. If you're new here or you've been watching for a long time and you haven't subscribed, subscription is optional. You don't have to subscribe to watch my videos, but if you want to receive notification when I upload new videos, then you may consider subscribing. If you want to do that, click the subscribe button below this video, and after that, click the bell sign so that you receive notification if YouTube sends it when I upload new videos. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to prepare a delicious meal that lots of people run away from. They run away from it not because they've tried it before and hated it, but because of the things they've heard about this meal. They say it's tasteless, they say it's a special kind of grain. They call it all sorts of names. Some people complain about the texture. Yeah, that meal is couscous. The best way I can describe couscous is if you get spaghetti or any other pasta and crush it into tiny granules. That's couscous for you. That pasta that is crushed is made from durum wheat. That is the wheat used in making semolina flour. When buying, try and buy whole wheat couscous because it's more nutritious than the basic one. It's just like how brown rice is more nutritious than white rice. Today, I'll share how to prepare the most delicious couscous. Hopefully, you'll love it too when you try it. I'll be serving it with some chicken balls and a sauce. Honestly, the purpose of this sauce is to make the plate look good and more appetizing. You can serve just the couscous and the chicken balls because those two are quite tasty on their own. Here are the ingredients I'll be using. I'll put a detailed list in the description below the video telling you what goes into the sauce, what goes into the couscous, and what goes into the meatballs, okay? Starting with the chicken balls because it takes the most time to get done. Put the chicken mince in a bowl, add salt, mixed seasonings, and onion powder. Then rub that into the chicken mince. The mixed seasonings and herbs contain seasoning cubes, thyme, and black pepper ground together with a spice grinder. That's all. When the seasonings are well incorporated, add the fresh parsley. Great alternatives of scented veggies to add to these chicken balls are basil or Nigerian curry leaves. After that, mold them into small balls. The smaller you mold them, the quicker they will cook. When done, spread in an oven tray like this. You can also shallow fry them with little oil in a frying pan till golden. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. As you're baking, turn them around from time to time so they cook and brown evenly. When the chicken balls are almost done, it takes about 30 minutes or so. Pour some chicken stock in a pot and set it on the stove to boil. Then mix the couscous ingredients. I am so sorry. I did not realize that I did not turn on the camera while adding the ingredients. The life of a YouTuber. What I have in here are the couscous, the mixed seasonings, a little bit of salt, onion powder, green peas, the 2 hot dogs, and sweet pepper. You can see how tiny I diced the hot dogs and sweet pepper. Please check out the written recipe on my website for every single detail about this recipe, including the ones I forget to tell you in this video. The link should pop up on the screen right now. When the chicken stock boils, pour into the bowl of couscous till the chicken stock covers it. I don't usually measure the chicken stock. I just pour it till it covers the couscous by about 1 centimeter or half an inch. That is how to measure the perfect quantity of chicken stock to add. The couscous gets its taste from the chicken stock, so it is very important that you use tasty homemade chicken stock if you want your couscous to taste delicious. Use hard chicken when making it because hard chicken, that's hen, gallina in Spanish, is tastier than male chicken, that's rooster or pollo. Hence, it gives you the tastiest chicken stock. I have a video for that, I think. When done, cover with a plastic film to keep the heat in. Set it aside to absorb all the water and swell up. This takes at most 10 minutes. Yeah. While we are waiting for that, we prepare the sauce. These are the ingredients I'm going to use: mushrooms, onions chopped and sliced, sweet pepper, green bell pepper, salt, carrots, chicken stock, and Nigerian curry powder, which was missing in action here. Start with a small quantity of chicken stock and add more if necessary as you cook. Set it on the stove to boil. When it boils, add chopped onions, carrots, mushrooms, and curry powder and start cooking. After 3 minutes, add the sliced onions, red and green pepper, salt, and more chicken stock if you feel like you need more. You want a sauce that is thick but not dry. Cover, and once it boils again, it's done. After 10 minutes, the couscous should have absorbed all the water and swollen up. Smells nice and tastes amazing. By now, the chicken balls should also be done. Serve everything together. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you. And please come back and give me a feedback when you try it. Okay? Bye bye. See you soon.